trusting in his holy word. He's never failed us yet, but we never healed. Cornel West told me in the Minneapolis airport right when I was ready to take flight, don't crash and burn, young man, because what you want to do is love a people who hate themselves. This is my big deal. I believe when I fall in love with you, it will be forever. So come on and let's fall in love with us. Let's do better. Let's be better. Let's get better, because it's about time, because we must now, because I love you, because he loves you, because you're worthy, because he's worthy, because there is no time, because love is timeless, and we are on God's time, and we are on God's mind, and we are the salt of the earth, and we must own something first before we can say it's mine, and we must own ourselves before we can love, and we must love ourselves before we can heal, and we must heal ourselves before we can... This is my love poem.